Hello, you two. Today we are learning about friends of 100. What do we know about friends of 100? Do you know any friends of 100? Are our friends of 100 like our friends of 10? Let's investigate to find out. We have friends of 10, which I'm sure that you are all magnificent at. Let's recap what our friends of 10 are. I have flipped a card from my deck of cards and I have the number 9. I'm going to plot my number 9 onto the tens frame. So I have 5 so far, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to write 9 plus something equals 10. Okay, so we're going to have a look at how many spare spaces we have in our tens frame, and we have 1 spare space on our tens frame. So I'm going to go 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now, if we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10, we know that 1 plus 9 equals 10. And down the bottom here, I have 9 ones. So I've shown you the number in our tens frame with our ones, and I've got it on the deck of cards. This is our friends of 10, okay? So 9 plus 1 is a friend of 10. We're going to be looking at friends of 100 now. So with my deck of card, I flipped a number, and I have the number 9. Now, this is actually going to be a 10 number. So this number is actually going to represent 90, okay? So I'm going to represent my 90 on my tens frame. The only difference is that when I put 1 down on my tens frame, that's actually going to represent 10. So we're counting by tens instead of ones. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So we have 90. So I'm going to write 90. Draw. It's not letting me draw. 90. And I'm going to plus, let's count how many spare spaces I have. Okay, I have 1 spare space. So I'm going to count that by tens. So I'm going to be adding 10. So 90 plus 10 equals 100. So we know that 90 and 10 are a friend of 100. And if we know that 90 plus 10 is 100, we also know that 10 plus 90 is also 100. I also have 9 tens here. So that I did that to show you that each one of these is equal to 10. Okay? So when we're counting on our tens frame, we know that we're counting by tens when we're looking at friends of 100. Okay, so at the moment, you can see that we have 90 on our tens frame. And we have one other one, which means that we have another 10. So we know that 90 plus 10 is 100, and this is our little different person. Okay, so we have 90 plus 10 is 100. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to have a go at this. You need a deck of cards, and you're going to use your deck of cards and you're going to make a team number. So, for example, I'm going to flip over a number, and like Mrs. Allen did, I flipped over a 9, and that got me 90. You're going to draw a tens frame, and you're going to fill in your number. So, like Mrs. Allen did, I filled in my 9 on my tens frame, okay, which represented 90. And then you're going to find out how many spaces you have on your tens frame. And in this case, Mrs. Allen had 1 space on her tens frame, which represented 10. And you're going to write a number sentence that is a friend of 100. So you're going to write your number that you had, so 90, and then plus how many spaces you had left, so that was